Hello everyone. In this lecture I will teach you the interdependence of primary, secondary and tertiary sector to each other. Interdependence means primary, secondary and tertiary are interdependent and interconnected to each other. How? Suppose this question is coming in exam, then this question can be asked in the form of statement. What statement? That justify the statement that primary, secondary and tertiary sector are interconnected to each other. How will you justify? You will justify by giving suitable argument. First argument is primary sector depends on secondary. How? Suppose farmer produces sugarcane. Then sugarcane is what? Raw material, and this raw material is supplied to sugar industry for further manufacturing. It means that if sugar industry shut down for a day, then it will directly affect on farmer. The production of sugarcane will be useless because manufacturing is required for sugarcane. So that's why primary sector depend on secondary. For what? For manufacturing raw material into final product. Second argument, secondary sector depends on primary sector. How? Secondary sector depend on primary sector for raw material. If farmer refuse to supply cotton, sugarcane in industry, in cotton textile industry or sugar industry, then what will be affected? The manufacturing unit will be shut down. Why? Due to lack of raw material. So secondary sector depends on primary sector for raw material. And now finally, third argument, primary and secondary sector depend on service sector. Service sector like transport, communication, banking, insurance, all are service sector. We are giving a very simple example. Transport. Raw material supplied to factories by which medium? Transport. And raw material is collected from producer, means from farmer, by which medium? Transport. If transport company will shut down for a day, then it will directly affect the primary and secondary sector because supply will be stopped. Recent example, lockdown in COVID-19, all transport communications were totally shut down. So it affects the supply. It affects the supply of raw material, final product to the consumer. So if the final product will not reach in the hand of consumer, if the supply will be disrupted, then the prices will be high. So with the suitable argument, I will say that all sectors are interdependent and interconnected to each other. Means primary, secondary and tertiary sector are interdependent to each other. Thank you for joining me.